we shall see. Apparently, Estreno was able to hop in here. So welcome to the live stream, everybody. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Here on December 5th, 2018. This is a live stream. I wanted to go quickly because these are unfolding events. We have a large seismic event happening in the Fiji region, New Caledonia, as we had a 7.6 ring off at a 10-kilometer depth. As I was in the video, I was just about to do my voiceover, and bam, 7.6 rang off, and instantly there was a tsunami warning for the Fiji Islands. But now they've also issued tsunami warnings for Hawaiian Islands, BC coastline, Alaska coastline, and the United States coastline. So stay aware and prepared. The whole west coast of North America, and as well Alaska, because I do believe that this kind of a reverberation, this is a shallow depth, 10-kilometer depth, 6.6. Now, please stay tuned to a video that I'm about to release, and I get more in depth as to what I think is going on right now with our planet. And it has a pole shift. With our pole shift, and quite possibly the sun's pole shift. So please stay aware and prepared, everybody. Welcome to the live stream tonight, Judy, and as well Mysterious Blue Space, Janet Lance. Welcome. German Villa, hello, welcome to the live stream tonight. Thoughts and prayers going out to anybody on these islands, these very small islands, Fiji, New Caledonia, Vanuatu, pretty much anything 1,000-kilometer radius. These tsunamis, 7.6 goes off east-southeast of Tadine, New Caledonia. And right afterwards, there were a lot of pretty large aftershocks, and they headed north-northwest. So here's the 7.6 or 7.5 they're saying here, USGS. And then there was the 6.0. And then the 5.9. 5.7. So it's going back and forth on this plate right now, all of the energy, and it's heading northwest along this plate line. So stay aware and prepared. Anybody along the western parts of the Ring of Fire, expect another large earthquake. And I actually think that it'll go back to Alaska, because that is where our magnetic field is being pulled at the most. And as I said, please stay tuned to a video which I was about to release. And I talk a little bit about the pole shift and what I see on our planet right now. So this is the last 24 hours for earthquakes in Alaska. So Alaska is still ringing off hundreds of earthquakes. I think it's got to be about 1,000 earthquakes by now, since the large 7.0 in Anchorage, Alaska, and just left the place devastated. Roads taken out everywhere. Whole city closed down, shut down. People trapped in areas because roads completely taken out. It's unbelievable, the devastation. And we just had yet another large earthquake. I do believe we're getting another update here. I think we just had one right in the center. So no, 5.2. So this is going back and forth between the Western plate and the Antarctic plate, I do believe. It's all connected right here. Hey, Mark Lawson, welcome to the live stream, dude. Big 7.6. It is, bro. It is. Welcome to the live stream tonight again. Friends and family from across the world, I really appreciate you guys coming in. I really wanted to document and share this large 7.6, followed by large aftershocks, a lot of them. 6.0, 5.7, 5.9, 5.2, another one. As we speak, large seismic event. Morning Dew is here for you, trying to keep you aware and prepared. And again, Honeydew, thank you for all that you do. Appreciate you moderating. Oh, hello, Sun. Welcome to the live stream. 21 aftershocks within a week. 2,100 aftershocks, Sun says. Wow. There's an update. I thought it was just about 1,000. That's crazy. Up to 21 quakes since the large 7.0 in Alaska. I'm looking at the 3D model here of Earth. We're watching these earthquakes stack after we had a lot of very deep earthquakes recently. So I was expecting a large earthquake, and a lot of earthquake forecasters were. Those who are watching are aware. Those who are not shall not even try to prepare, because you will not know what to do when these things and events come for you. Action Jackson, how you doing? Welcome to the live stream. Also saying that there was 2,100 aftershocks within a week. Judy Petuzzi, I really appreciate you giving me the early info on that earthquake. Much love to you. Thank you. So yeah, tsunami wound for the small islands surrounding the epicenter of the large 7.0 earthquake. We might even have a really bad slip going on here. And if that snaps, I think we're going to have a vol on the northern side of us. I do believe that within the next week or so, large seismic event in Alaska again, and most likely a lot of these volcanoes in the Aleutian Islands firing up. Definitely. I see it happening. You know, I've had my lifetime, and a lot of them, the skies just don't look right in the dreams. They're not blue. They're not colorful at all. But yeah, please stay aware and prepared. Anywhere along the Ring of Fire right now is a dangerous place. We're watching still a lot of small earthquakes throughout Washington, Oregon, as well. The Cascadia subduction zone, Washington. So yes, this is a large seismic event, and I want you guys to please make sure that you check out the next video, which I'm about to release. I'll be releasing it right after this live stream. I talk about the pole shift and what is happening right now with weather models, and a lot of I've read, I collected what I think is going on right now, and I really want to share it with everybody. So please make sure you check out the next Daily Do, and make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button, make sure you're receiving every notification. So that means you have to hit that bell and then maybe hit it again, and then it's going to ask you, get all notifications, and if you want all of them, then you say yes, right? Pretty much how it goes, bros and ladies. Mount Spur, Action Jackson says, I would look out for Mount Spur. Where is Mount Spur? Alaska. Okay, thanks. That was quick. Thank you, Honeydew. Mm. But I do appreciate all of the love and support, especially from moderator Honeydew. He is my Honeydew. And I want to give a special shout out to all my subscribers from around the world. Over the past 18 months, it's been a great journey. And we are almost at 5,000 subscribers. Let's see if we can surpass that tonight. I'm not trying this as a ploy or anything. I mean, this is a definite serious situation going on our planet. Large seismic happening across the world. During a solar cycle, that we have been through before many times. And it really puts a big strain on our shield. Howdy, Kathy Bradbury. Sun says, do you do the do? Just kidding. LOL. Nice, Sun. Welcome to the live stream tonight, Sun. I met you tonight earlier with Milky Way Weekly on his live stream. That was a really cool live stream, watching the awakening there with Jason. That was really cool. Welcome to the live stream. I think you're a new subscriber, and I hope you enjoy my channel. Hope you enjoy the research that I'm sharing with the world, and please share all the research that we find on the internet right now. We're going through some pretty biblical times, very unique times. Yes, Judy, that's right. The Earth moved 12 feet during that earthquake. Fukushima moved 12 feet toward. Isn't that something? So this was a 7.0 earthquake right on the fault line. Kind of looks like this is a drain fault line. Kind of comes out and then it drains out here somewhere, creating New Caledonia, creating New Zealand. You know, these are all volcanic islands here. But still, I mean, large earthquakes like that on the fault line, that's a little bit scary, especially when they're shallow. So we can expect more action, as we are actually being pelted right now with cosmic energy from filament eruption, as the density bunches have increased and the solar wind stream has been steady at over 400 kilometers per second. And I documented that on one of my videos the other night. You can see a filament eruption from the sun on the southern part, and it was Earth facing. So that was about 3 days ago. So if you check it out, 3 days ago, you can see the filament eruption that is actually affecting our atmosphere right now. Jonathan Williams, welcome to the live stream tonight. Habre tsunami? Yes, there is a tsunami warning. Hawaiian Islands, Alaska, BC coastline, United States coastline, as well as, of course, Fiji Islands and New Caledonia, anywhere in a 1,000-kilometer radius of this large 7.5 earthquake east-southeast of Tadine in New Caledonia. Many quakes at 6.2 depth, same as around the world recently. That is so true. A lot of people are correlating a lot of this energy to the constant energy that has picked up across the planet, seismic wavelengths, and as well vibrations and eerie frequencies. So we are definitely living in some unique times. We need to stay aware and prepared. We need to share as much research as we can with each other so that we can learn and grow and adapt to our new world. And try not to get brainwashed by the corrupt governments that are running our world right now. And if you haven't noticed, the world's pretty crazy, and there's actually tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people who are revolting, and they are ready. And they are taking on their governments. They are standing up because we outnumber them by the billions. By the billions. 8 billion people on this planet. And probably only a couple handfuls of them, maybe 1 million of them, control everything. When you think of those numbers, really speaks. Earth is definitely going through shaking, rocking around. That's right, Kathy. So please stay aware and prepared. We're still getting updates here. Another, I mean, we've had 5.9, 5.9, 5.6, 4.9, 5.7, 5.2. That's right. Oh, conscious beings. We're all conscious beings who are being brainwashed to now be consumers instead of customers. We're no longer, we are basically like the herds of cows, and we are producing the milk for them. They are milking us every day in the Milky Way. Pretty crazy when you think of it that way. Another, wow. So yeah, this is unfolding quickly, guys. Let's have a look at the last 6 hours for earthquakes from around the world. Tone this down a bit. All right, so this is the last 6 hours for earthquakes. So 7 large earthquakes in the same region after a very deep earthquake, Vanuatu, Papua New Guinea, and as well, all of these minor rumbles, still constant rumbles in Alaska. Our plates are shifting right now big time, and I do believe that our Earth is growing. Water is being swallowed up in some places, while new mountains are being formed under the ocean. We don't even know that yet until the water drains out, until that all that space has been filled up with a mountain, and then all of a sudden it appears. It's kind of like how New Zealand got there. It's kind of like the new Coastal Island and South Sandwich Islands in South America got there. You know, it's the same kind of region. This is an outpour of lava, of creation, of our planet. That's 2 crustal lines meeting and emptying between the continents. You see the same thing here between South and North America. So I do believe that during these times right now that we're living, maybe Earth is expanding. And maybe that's why we feel like our minds and our hearts are being pressured. But they're actually not being pressured, they're expanding. You know, they're growing. And we're going through growing pains right now. Every soul on this planet is feeling what this planet is going through. We are all connected. Our consciousness expands too, oddly. So true. So true, son. Hey, thanks again for joining, Sun. It's been a pleasure having you tonight. And Kathy Bradbury, thanks so much for joining. Share it on Twitter. Thank you so much. That's fantastic. Share the word, share the dew. Morning Dew is here for you. Daily events worldwide, where I post my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world as they happen, as long as I'm able to make a video. Right now, I work a lot and spend a lot of time doing other things, and yeah, so we have to. I got to get back on. I wish I didn't have to work, a full-time job, but everybody's got to work. I'm going to do my best to get a daily video out every day and disaster alerts as they happen. As I said, I was about to make my daily video, and then the large 7.5 earthquake in Tadine goes off. That was some interesting timing, to say the least. But yes, stay aware and prepared, folks. Everybody, I'm going to be ending this live stream here because I am about to release my video in probably the next 15 minutes, and I would love everybody to join in the conversation. And I'm going to try this premiere thing, and if everybody wants to get in on the conversation, let's talk about the video, and the title will explain it all. So again, thanks for joining this live stream tonight. This has been a quick awareness video, warning video of 5 earthquake east southeast of Tadine, New Caledonia, and a lot of large aftershocks. There's a large seismic event happening right now. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you hanging out here in the live stream. Much love to everybody who was in there. Thank you, Honeydew, for moderating. I'm out. God bless.